believers. Just kidding, I really don't care if you did or not. Oh, hi! Get my good side.
Get in the elevator, have a seat. Let's go.
Oh wait, I really have to sit down? I think this is the best part. I get to relax. It's like relax, right? This is the best part. I get to relax. I like that I get to sit down.
Descending to Delirium Research Facility. 200 feet. 300 feet. Mechanical failure detected. Engaging emergency brakes. Restarting elevator. 400 feet. 500 feet. Warning. Warning. Power failure. Stopping descent.
Wait. Don't move. No, it's not working. We have to evacuate one by one. With caution, it's floor 666.
Alright, on your feet, let's go! Evacuate the elevator, let's go! Come on, move it! You don't have all night, let's go! Come on, let's go! Park closes at 12, let's go! Let's go! Move those feet, let's go! Move it! Get moving!
Oh, shit!
Move!
Who gave you permission to be down here? This is authorized personnel only. I'm trying to keep a sterile environment.
Confirmation of hot system failure. Use extreme caution.
Get out of here! The science have escaped! Get out of here! The science have escaped!
Fresh meat.
Let's go, guys. Gotta move on.
Self-destruct.
Move! Get out of here! Let's go! Let's go! Keep it moving! Keep it moving! Let's go! Let's go! Move! Whoa! Okay.
Wow, okay. That was, whoa, okay, all right. Oh my gosh. So that one is definitely way more immersive than all the other ones. That's the newest house, D3LER1UM666. The house decorations were really good. They had a lot of the sound bites, so not every single one of the scare actors are using their own voices to scream and yell. They had a lot of the sound bites, which I thought was really good. I really enjoyed that one. That was by far my favorite. I will be coming out with a full tour and review of the entire Howl-O-Scream event here at SeaWorld Orlando. So if you guys did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Theme Park Groupie.